M4, January 2016. Question 14. A car dealer sells petrol cars and diesel cars. In 2015, there were 876 petrol cars sold. This was 36.5% of the total number sold. Janice questions a sample of all the people who had bought a car from this dealer in 2015. Her sample was stratified by fuel type. Estimate the number of diesel cars in her sample of 160. Okay, so if we go through it again, in 2015 there were 876 cars sold. 876, that was 36.5% of the total sold. So 876 is 36.5%. Let's work out how many were sold in total. If we do 876 divided by 36.5, that will get 1%. So 876 divided by 36.5 is 24. So then 100% is 24 times 100, 2400. So there's 2,400 cars, and there's 160 in the sample. So 160 out of 2400, or in other words, 16 over 1/15. So the sample is a 15th. Okay, we have to estimate the number of diesel cars in her sample of 160. Okay, so go back. There's a few tricks in this. A car dealer sells petrol and diesel cars. Okay. In 2015 there were 876 petrol cars sold. That represents 36.5% of the total. How many diesel cars would there be then? Well, that's going to be whatever's left over. So that's going to be, instead of that's going to be 876 away from 1,400. So diesel, there's 2,400 in total. 876 are petrol, which means the rest of them, 1,524, are diesel. We need to estimate the number of diesel cars in the sample. The sample was a 15th, so it's a 15th of 1524. So divide that by 15 and you end up with 101.6. So that's it'd be 102 in the sample. Yeah, we'll go with that. So if you're happy, you can stop. I'll run through it one more time. So there are 876 cars, petrol cars sold, and that's 36.5%. You can work out 100% by dividing by 36.5 and times by 100, and that tells you that overall there's 2,400 cars sold. 876 are petrol, so the remaining amount, 1,524, will be diesel. Now we have the sample size of 160, and we know there's 2,400 in total. So actually, if the sample size is 160, the person's taken a 15th of the petrol cars and a 15th of the diesel cars. So if there's 1,524 diesel cars, a 15th of that is 101.6, so you'd say sample 102 cars.